Assam, India. Forest rangers atop elephants follow the tracks of a lethal threat. A tigress that escaped from a wildlife preserve is suspected of killing cattle in the area.
She wanted to impart training to her cubs. So domestic cattle, they are the easiest prey.
Lead officer Ranjan Kumar Das has already recaptured the cubs when his team spots the mother in a field of tall grass.
She was looking for her cubs, and as she failed to locate them, she was angry with everyone.
A ranger fires a tranquilizer dart, but he misses, and the beast vanishes. The elephant driver Sadaban Pegu tries to calm his nervous mount. The animal senses danger, and for good reason.
And before we could hardly blink our eyes, the tigress came out of the hideout.
With fearsome speed, the tigress leaps a full 12 feet and sinks her fangs into the driver. The stunned rangers retreat as the killer cat disappears once more. It's then that they make a terrifying discovery. The elephant driver has been seriously injured in the sudden attack.
The tigress stabbed his abdomen with her left paw and bit his left hand.
Setaban survives, yet nearly loses 3 fingers on his hand. But in the end, he's just happy to have escaped the jaws of death.